All right, what you're looking at here is the Alesis ProTrack. Alesis ProTrack is a field recorder with condenser mics built in. You also have two combo XLR jacks on the bottom that can supply phantom power if you want to use external microphones. The biggest difference between this and all the rest of the recorders that you see is this, instead of using an internal memory or secure digital, you can use your iPod. It's compatible with all versions of iPod except the previous generation, like the earlier first and second generation iPod. Basically, if you have the ability to do a voice recording in your iPod, then you can use the Alesis ProTrack to store all your on-location audio captures.
Cool.
So you got phantom power on and off right here. This is going to be if you want to charge your iPod on and off, and then your power switch. This is actually how you're going to get the plastic sled off. You just slide this open, and that'll slide right off. On the other side, you have a built-in limiter. This will actually help you control your audio going in so you don't have all kinds of pops and clicks. And then recording stereo to mono. That's actually going to come in really, and of course your headphone volume. Yeah. Now the stereo to mono thing, well, let's say you need like a lot more record time. It's going to be a lot, it's going to take up half the amount of space if you record in mono as opposed to stereo.
Right.
So if it's just a speech or a lecture or something, doesn't matter if it's in stereo, you might as well save all that extra memory and record for twice as long.
Show me the connector on the bottom.
Yep, there you go. Here's your headphone jack, two combo jacks. You got either 1/4 inch or XLRs.
Cool.
Cool?
Thanks a lot, man.
No problem, brother.
That's the ProTrack.
Alesis ProTrack, you got it.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm Jason Davies. I'm from Bias, and we're showing iPro Recorder. This is an audio recorder for the iPhone or iPod Touch. And the way it works is we have actually three quality settings. We have 16-bit 44.1, that's our high quality CD quality. We have medium quality, which is actually 22 kilohertz, or low quality, which is 11 kilohertz. So you can choose what quality setting that you want. It works very simply. You just hit record and it starts recording. We're using the built-in mic. When you turn the interface, turn the phone around, it actually changes the interface so that you can actually locate it and point it towards your source without having to look upside down. So that's kind of convenient. It has a nice integrated jog wheel so you can scrub your recording to and fro. We have two modes. We have the jog mode, we have the shuttle mode, which lets you traverse at larger increments. We have another mode here where you can actually traverse the file using a more traditional locator slider. Now, in addition to that, once you've recorded, you can categorize all your files. We can do it a couple ways. If you have our geotagging services turned on, it'll actually location stamp the recording for you. Send it somewhere, I can actually email the file. I can send it directly to our audio editor for the Macintosh, Peak. Or if I am on a Mac or Windows machine with Wi-Fi network, I can do web sharing. So very, very easy to get the audio off the phone. Again, it's iPro Recorder. It's $4.99. It's the first stereo compatible audio recorder for the iPhone. It's also compatible with the Alesis ProTrack. So the way to upgrade the microphones, now I have stereo input and I have control over the levels here. It's got a built-in preamp. It even supports phantom power. And at the back here, you actually have the possibility of putting in XLR jacks so you can connect more powerful microphones, higher quality microphones, as well as 1/4 inch jacks.
Great.
This is one of the bugs. It's also compatible with the Mikey.
Mikey, yeah.
I don't have one here in the booth, but Blue Microphone has a microphone you can have.
Thank you.
You're welcome.